Hi, how are you doing?
You sound like young Justin Bieber.
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about, steroids.
I don't take steroids.
Then what's wrong with your voice?
I have not hit puberty yet.
That's weird, you're 23.
You are making me mad.
You're more annoying than Justin Bieber.
I'm going to hit you in the face with my non-puberty fist.
We'll see about that, steroids.
I will show you steroids.
You don't have to show them to me, I see them in your pocket.
I'm going to beat your face into the ground.
We are here, let's see.
Well, come on.